making chicken Schezwan fried rice. That's what my daughter requested. She loves it. I mean, she can have it anytime during the day. Yeah, that's why I said, okay, fine, let's make it for you.
My name is Naisha Upadhyay. I love her fried rice because it's too delicious. Whenever I ask her for fried rice, she says okay, and then as soon as she makes it, my mouth just waters.
I remember making, I think it was chicken nuggets. I made that, I sent it across. Next thing I know, she comes home and says, Mama, this is unhealthy food. Please don't give this to me in a dabba. I said, okay, sorry.
My mom is sweet. I guess she's the best mom in the whole universe. Whichever food I eat since now, her food is the best and she loves me a lot.
Add a tablespoon of oil, let it heat, then add sliced onions and saute for 5 to 7 minutes. Add ginger garlic paste. After that, add the spring onions, not the leaves. Saute for 10 minutes. Add yellow capsicum, green capsicum, mushroom, carrots and stir for a minute. Add salt. Cover and keep for 10 minutes. Uncover, then add Schezwan sauce, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, saute for 2 minutes. Add boiled chicken and cover for 5 minutes.
Now we are going to open up the lid and then again mix, and now it looks really good.
Add boiled rice.
A cup of rice.
And stir for 5 minutes. Then add spring onion leaves, mix, cover, leave for 5 minutes and it's ready.